Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. Dear children, in previous parts we had learned about the divisible rule for 2, 3, 9, 6, 5 and 10, and also we have solved some application problems on divisible rules. Now some more divisible rules we are going to discuss now. Divisible rule for divisible by 4, rule for divisible by 8 and rule for divisible by 11. Let's to take first divisible rule for 4. Children, take a number here 3, 4, 76. 3476. Check whether divisible by 4 or not. In actual division, 4 table 4 8s are 32, 2 and 7, 2 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 3 6, 4 9s are 36. So remainder 0. So 3, 4, 7, 6 is divisible by 4. This is the actual division. Without doing actual division, how to find whether given number divisible by 4 or not? Very simple. Let's take here last 2 digits. Is divisible by 4. So suppose if I change the number like this, 3476. Last 2 digits I am keeping as it is, and remaining before I am changing the digits. Suppose 49. I take last 2 digits I taken as it is, and remaining I changed here. Again do the simple division. 4 1s are 4, 9, 4 2s are 8. So 1, 6, 7. If I undertake this one, 7. 4 4s are 16. 1 undertake here 6. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 0. So this also divisible by 4. Take another example. Taking the last 2 digits number as it is, 7 6. I never change the 7 6. And now I take the 5 digit number. I keeping here last 2 digits not changing, and do the divided by 4. 4 5s are 20, and 21 minus 21 here 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 undertake here 7. 4s are 16. 1 and here 4 4s are 16. So here this number also divisible by 4. So my dear children, what do you observe here? The last 2 digits is affected whether divisible by 4 or not. If check last 2 digit number divisible by 4, and given number also divisible by 4. If last 2 digit number is not divisible by 4, given number also not divisible by 4. Suppose if I change here 76, see 76 I am going to change 70. Now take the any number here 4 table. 4 8s are 32. 34 minus 2, 2. 7. 6 are 24. 3 0. 7s are 28. Remainder 2. So 3470 is not divisible by 2. So not divisible by 4, because 70 is not divisible by 4. So the rule for the divisible by 4 is, if last 2 digit number is divisible by 4, then given number also divisible by 4. Now I am taking the another example. 3456. check whether divisible by 4 or not. How to check? Very easily. Take the last 2 digit number. Take the last 2 digit number. If last 2 digit number is 56 and divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 1 6. 4 fours are 16. Remainder 0. So 56 is divisible by 4. So given number also divisible by 4. So last 2 digits 56 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is also divisible by 4. Very clear? Yes or no? Now take another problem 2, 3. Suppose 8, 4, 38. 8, 4, 38. Suppose 28,438 I have taken. Now take the last 2 digit number 38. Check whether divisible by 4 or not. 4 table 4 9s are 36. 38 minus 36 how much? 2. So remainder is not 0. So 36 is not divisible by 4. So given number also not divisible by 4. Clearly we can write here 36 is not divisible by 4. So 28,438 is also not divisible by 4. Very next to children, if a number ends with 2 zeros, if a number ends with 2 zeros, also divisible by 4. Why? Because 0 is divisible by 4. 4 zeros are 0. So if I take a number here, if I take a number 2,56,500, so it is divisible by 4 because it last 2 digits are 0. Given number last 2 digits are unit digit, tens digits are 0. So it is divisible by 4. Now check one more problem. Now I have taken here 5,16,972. So 972 last 2 digit number. Take 72 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 how much? 3. If I undertake 2 here, 4 8s are 32. So clearly 72 is divisible by 8. Sorry, divisible by 4. So given number 5,16,972 is also divisible by 4. Very easy, you know. Now check another rule for divisible by 8. And divisible rule for the divisible by 8. Take the one example problem. 3, 4, 6, 8. Check whether divisible by 8 or not in simple division. 8 4s are 32. Here 4 minus 2, 2. Here 6. And 8 3s are 24. 2. 26 minus 24, 2. And take the 8 here. So 8 3s are 24. Remainder 4. What do you understand? 3,468 is not divisible by 8 because If we get the remainder 0, divisible by 8. If not get the remainder 0, not divisible by 8. Take another problem. సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. అదే Now take another question. 43,184. Let's divide by 8. 8 5s are 40. 43 minus 43. Take 1. And 8 3s are 24. We will get the 7. Take the 8 and 8 9s are 72. 6 4 8 6 are 8 8s are 64. So what's the remainder? 0. So 43,184 is divisible by 8. So before number not divisible by 8. If I check last 3 digit number 468, I am going to divide by 8. 8 5s are 40. 6 8 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 4. So is not divisible by 8. Here 184, last 3 digit number 184. 8 2s are 16. 18 minus 16 2. If I undertake 4, 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 0. So 184 is divisible by 8. That means if last 3 digit number is divisible by 8, then given number is also divisible by 8. So using this condition, what is the rule? A number last 3 digit number, a number formed by last 3 digit number is divisible by 8, then given number is also divisible by 8. Take one example. 5,34,864. Now if I take here, check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. To check given number divisible by 8 or not, take last 3 digit number. So 864 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 0. Take the 6. 8 zeros are 0. You undertake only single digit at a time. And 6 minus 0, 6. Take 4. And 8 8s are 64. So remainder is the 0. So 864 is divisible by 8. Yes or no? 864 last 3 digit number divisible by 8. So given number also divisible by 8. So given number 5,34,864 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8, my dear children. Very easy. And take the another problem. Now I have taken 48,348. So take last 3 digit number 348. Check whether divisible by 8 or not. 8 table. 8 4s are 32. 34 minus 32, 2. here 8. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 4. What do you understand here? 4 348 is not divisible by 8. So 48,348 is not divisible by 8. So, my dear children, using these conditions, you can find whether divisible by 8 or not. Go to the next rule for divisible by 11. Rule for divisible by 11. Take one problem. 4, 8, 6, 7, 2, 1, 6. I taken one number. Check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. So, to check whether divisible by or not, even place values, odd place values. Here 1, if I give the 1 place, if I given the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, even place values, sum of even place values, find the sum of even place values, sum of the odd place values. So, this is the 1, 2, 3, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so there are 7 digits. So, this is the 1, is the third place, this is the fifth place, this is the seventh place. Sum of odd numbers, sum of odd place values, odd place digits, sum of odd place digits equal 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. How much should we get here? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. And remaining these numbers are these 3. Sum of even place digits, sum of even place digits. Sum of even place digits, what are the even place digits? 8 plus 7 plus 1. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 6. 15 plus 1, 16. So, here alternate numbers we should be at first 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. And remaining 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Find the difference between them. Difference is equal to 18 minus 16 equal to 2. If difference of these two place values divisible by 11, given number also divisible by 11. Here 2 is not divisible by 11. 2 never get in table 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 zeros are 0. If we get the difference as 0, 11, 22, 32, so on, given number is divisible by 11. If not get 0, 11, 22, not divisible by 11. Let's take another problem. So, this not divisible by 11 children. Suppose if I take second problem, I taken this number. Let's you check whether divisible by 11 or not. Take the odd place values. Take alternate simply. You take the alternate numbers. Here see alternate numbers. Take the alternate numbers 1, second one leave the third one, leave the fourth one and fifth one. So, sum of odd place values. odd place digits. Sum of odd place digits equal 4 plus 3 plus 8 equal 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15. Then sum of even place digits, sum of even place digits, sum of even place digits is equal to remaining these three numbers. So 3 plus 8 plus 4. So 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 4 15. So find the difference. Difference, children. So difference is equal to 15 minus 15 equal to 0. So 0 is divisible by 11. So given number also divisible by 11. If a difference is 0, 11, 22 and divisible by 11, then you can write here given number is also divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Very easy to check whether given problem divisible by 11 or not. Now take the another problem. Third question, 5, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3. Now I take in the third question. Here take the alternate. Do the direct problem. I am going to do this term directly and sum of this term. Do the sum of these two. Sum of these two how much? 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 9. And remaining sum 5 plus 6 plus 9. 5 plus 6 plus 9. How much here? 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 9 20. Yes or no? Difference. Difference means 20 minus 9 equal to 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. If you get the difference, this is the difference, no? I have taken directly difference. Here difference is the 11. So given number is divisible by 11. So it is divisible by 11. Take another question. Fourth question. Now in this case, first under the alternate numbers, simply you take alternate digits. Find the sum of alternate digits here. 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 12, 14. And remaining 0 plus 6 plus 0. 0 plus 6 plus 0. How much? 6. Difference. 14 minus 6 how much? 8. So 8 is not divisible by 11. So given number also not divisible by 11. Very easy to check directly. To write the procedure you have to write sum of the odd place digits, sum of the even place digits, difference, then go through the step by step in examination pattern. To check directly, simply add the alternate numbers separately and difference them. If you get the 0, 11, 22, 33 like that, given number is divisible by 11. If not get, given number is not divisible by 11. And children, we know that divisible rule for 4, divisible rule for 8, divisible rule for 11. Here I had given 4 questions. Check whether these 4 numbers divisible by 4 or not. How to check? We know that take last 2 digits. Last 2 digits, a number found by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then given number is divisible by 4. Dear children, last 2 digit is 24. 24 is divisible by 4 because 4 6 are 24. So this is divisible by 4. And take the second one, 1000. If a number ends with two zeros, that number is divisible by 4. This also divisible by 4. Then here, last two digit number 52. So if not possible to say directly whether divisible by 4 or not, let's you do the division. 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 5 minus 4 1, undertake 2, 4 threes are 12, remainder 0. So last two digit number 52 is divisible by 4. So given number 56,052 is also divisible by 4. Is it clear? Yes. Then last two digit number 30. 30 never comes in 4 table because 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Never comes 32. 30. So 30 is not divisible by 4. So given number also not divisible by 4. Then next question. Check whether the given numbers divisible by 8 or not. We know that the divisible rule for 8 is a number formed by last three digit numbers is divisible by 8, then given number is divisible by 8. Take last three digit number 808. 8 ones are 8, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. 808 is divisible by 8. So given number 4808 is also divisible by 8. Take next problem. 6000. Dear children, if a number ends with three zeros, that number is compulsory divisible by 8. If a number ends with two zeros, that number is divisible by 4. If a number ends with three zeros, that number is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Then what about this? Last three digit number 728. 8 nines are 72, 8 ones are 8. So 728 is divisible by 8. So given number 76,728 is also divisible by 8. Next three digit number 324, 324. 8 fours are 32, 4 is remainder. For 324 is not divisible by 8 because 8 table, 8 fours are 32. If I take 8 40s are 320, remainder is 4. So 324 is not divisible by 8. If I ask the question, check whether 41,324 whether divisible by 4 or not. This number is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 8. Yes or no? Now do the next question. Check whether given numbers are divisible by 4 or 8 or both. Take first question. 4 power 2 into 8 power 2. That means this number can be written as 4 into something, 8 into something. That means here can be written as 4 power 1 means 4 into 4 into 8 into 8. So 8 into 8 into 4 also. So this number is divisible by both. Divisible by both. Divisible by both 4 and 8 because it is into 4 here into 8. If a number into 4 means that number, if a number factor with 8 means divisible by 8. If a number into 4, that means factor 4 divisible by 4. And take the second problem. 10 power 3. So 10 into 10 into 10, that means we will get here 1000. So last two digit number 0, so divisible by 4. Last three digits is 0, divisible by 8. So this also 10 to the power of 3. 10 cube is divisible by both. Divisible by both 4 and 8. Divisible by 4 and 8. Take the third one, 10 power 5, 10 to the power of 4, 10 cube. So I am going to write this one as 10 square into 10 cube into 10 square. 10 cube into 10 square plus 10 cube into 10 power 1 plus 10 power 3 into 1. So 10 power 3 here 2, total 10 power 5, 10 power 3 and here 1, 10 power 4, 10 power 3 into 1. If I take here 10 power 3 as common, 10 square plus 10 power 1 means 10 plus 1. So 10 cube means 1000. 1000 into 10 square plus 10 plus 1. So 1000 is divisible by 4, also divisible by 8. So it is divisible by both 4 and 8 children. Yes or no? Check the last one. 4 power 3 plus 4 square plus 4 power 1 minus 2 power 2. So this one I am going to write here 4 power 1 into 4 square plus 4 power 1 into 4 power 1. Otherwise simply write like this here without using the factor. 4 into 4 square plus 4 into 4 plus 4 minus 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2 means 4. 2 square means 2 into 2 equal 4. If I take the 4 common, what should we get? 4 square plus 4 plus 1 minus 1. Or plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. And remaining here plus 1 minus 1 0. If I take the 4 common, 4 square plus 4, 4 square plus 4, and also you can take the 2 is the common. In this also 2 is the common. 4 square, yes children, 4 into 4 square, you can write the 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 4 16, 16 you can write the 8 2s are 16, and 4 into 4, so 4 into 4 you can write 2 into 2, so 8, if we take the 8 common, here will we get the 8 plus here 2. So this also divisible by 8 and 4. Take the another question. Check whether the given number are divisible by 11 or not. First you take first number 758043. Now odd number place values. Sum of odd place values. Sum of odd place digits. Sum of odd place digits equal to, we will get 5 plus 0 plus 3 equal to 8. Sum of even place values, even place digits. Sum of even place digits will be get here. Remaining 8, 7 plus 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4. So 7 plus 8 plus 4 will be get 15, 19. So here 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Yes, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 3, sorry, 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 will get the 19. So difference is, what is the difference here? 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. So 19 minus 8 equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So 758043 is divisible by 11. So very easy, children. Alternate number 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 4 19, and 8 plus 0 5 plus 0 5 plus 8. 19 minus 8 will be get the 11. So divisible by 8. Take the second number. I am going to write directly 34089. Undertake the alternate numbers here. Sum of these two. 3 plus 0 plus 9, 11. And remaining numbers. And here 4 plus 3 plus 0, 3 plus 9, 12. So here 4 plus 8, also 12. What's the difference here? Difference is equal to 0. So given number is divisible by 11. So given number is divisible by 11. So difference, if you get the difference 0, 11 or 22, divisible by 11. We know that palindrome number here, even palindrome, take 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. This is a palindrome number. If you write the reversed, obtained number also same. If you write the reverse 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, you will get the same number. This type of number is called the palindrome number. Let's check whether divisible by 11 or not. 3, 5, 3. 3 plus 5 plus 3 equal 11. And remaining here 4 plus 4 equal to 8. What is the difference here? 3. So is not divisible by 11. Take another problem here. 2, 5, 6, 6, 5, 2. This is also palindrome number. This palindrome number is called the odd palindrome number. This is called the even palindrome number. If I write the number reversed, obtained number is the equal to the original number, then that number is called the palindrome number. If I write the reversed, we will get the same number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the even palindrome number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a odd palindrome number. Let's check this even palindrome number. 2, 6, 5. 5 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 11, 13. Remaining 2 plus 6 plus 5. 2 plus 6 plus 5. This also 8, 13. Difference how much? 0. So every even palindrome number divisible by 11. Every odd palindrome number is not divisible by 11. My dear children, application of divisible rules, all problems do yourself as given your textbook and check your answer with given answers. Practice more, you will get the perfect. Thank you very much watching my video.